Rivian's public image started with the R1T pickup and R1S SUV, premium gear howlers that promised off-road savvy and polished interiors. But the company's roadmap now sounds like something much broader. CEO RJ Scaringe has sketched out an ambition that doesn't stop at 2 or 3 models. His words imply a future with as many as 5 or 6 distinct Rivian vehicles, including smaller, more affordable models aimed at a much wider market. The near term still centers on the R2 and R3. The R2 is the smaller, more budget-friendly EV that Rivian plans to start producing soon, while the R3 is slated for roughly 2028 once Rivian's Georgia plant reaches higher capacity. But Scaringe's public comments pushed beyond that, referencing R4 and R5 as the next thing, and even leaving the door open for an R6, a sign the company is thinking like a legacy automaker with product layers for different price and capability tiers. If these come together, Rivian would shift from a niche premium brand to a scaled, multi-segment player. Why does that matter? Because Rivian's leadership has been open about one of the EV market's sore spots: a shortage of compelling sub-$50,000 EVs that combine value, real-world range, and good charging. Scaringe has said as much that Rivian would like to plug that gap. That's a big ask. Cheaper EVs need different supply economics, battery sourcing strategies, and often simpler tech stacks. If Rivian really wants to sell 6 different vehicles, the company will need to balance its premium DNA with ruthless cost control on the smaller models. From a product standpoint, building out a family that includes R1 through R5 and maybe R6 lets Rivian target multiple customer types: enthusiastic adventurers who want the flagship tech, urban families looking for compact EVs, fleets that need affordable crossovers, and even specialized vehicles for commercial use. The catch is time and capital. New plants, supplier deals, and validated platforms aren't cheap. That's why Scaringe's timeline stretches out. The R2 and R3 are near-term bets, while R4, R5 feel like longer-range strategy. So, will Rivian democratize EV ownership? It could, but only if it masters localization, battery economics, and production scale without losing the brand traits that made R1 desirable. The ambition is refreshing. Moving from a 2-truck startup mindset to a full family plan is what turns young automakers into long-term players. For Rivian fans, that's hopeful. For skeptics, it's a reminder that execution will determine whether this is a cool roadmap or an overreaching wish list.